How often do you throw food out? Do you clean your fridge? You wouldn't leave expired food in your fridge, especially you knew it would get you sick? That's nonsense, right? Do you make space for new food? Then why not for new thoughts and practices? Is it nonsense to throw away food that's expired because it could make you sick? Contaminate new food. Then why not with the thoughts that make you sick? You make space on your fridge. What about space for new things? If not clean your fridge, it's not nonsense.